Need to fix Thread notifications not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this. First thing first, you need to head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, scroll down and head over to notifications. Now search for the application Thread. Once you find it, click on it. Make sure the Allow Notifications option is toggled on. Sometimes it might be off and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. Now move into Thread application. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right. Click on this line. Head over to notifications. Well, in this space, if the option of pause all is toggled on, then simply turn it off. After that, try removing your device from Do Not Disturb mode. Once you have removed it, now once again head over to the settings of a device. Move into General inside the settings. And then head over to Background and App Refresh. In this space, make sure that the Thread application is toggled on. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.